Welcome to Flipdrop, the channel dedicated to finding the most profitable and undersaturated products to dropship on Aliexpress. Before we begin, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a like. Let's begin. Our first product is the Car Bumper Crack Repair Welding Set. Restore your broken parts of the car, motorcycle, bicycle, or even your kids' toys. Various types of nails included for different situations. No training required. Learn to use it in seconds. It's in the highly lucrative DIY niche. It's an evergreen product. Has a high perceived value. It's not overly saturated and has a lot of potential. There's only 600 orders being placed so far on Aliexpress. The Facebook ad for this product has a lot of engagement, with over 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Now the selling price for this is $69.99, and the product cost is only $21.99. Shipping for this item is free, so you're looking at a very healthy profit of $48. Next on the list is the car steering wheel tray. Whether this is working on your laptop or grabbing some lunch, you are going to need the right equipment to do this comfortably. This magic car desk is the most cost-effective way to increase your in-vehicle comfort while working or eating on the road. Easy to use that it only takes a moment to slip it onto the steering wheel of your parked vehicle. It's in the automotive niche. It's an evergreen product. It's not overly saturated, only 74 orders have been placed so far on Aliexpress. The Facebook ad for this product, over 1,500 likes and 381 comments. Now the selling price for this is $37.95, and the product cost is only $14.82. Shipping for this item is $2.20, so you're looking at a profit of $20.93. Next up is the dual-sided lightsaber. Looking for the coolest dual-sided lightsaber? This single dual lightsaber has a super bright blade that can light up an entire room and has a silver hilt about 26 inches long, which is great for kids. When connected together, it turns into a 52-inch dual lightsaber. It's in the toy niche. It's an evergreen product. Definitely has the wow factor. Perfect for a one-product store. It's a proven seller with over 856 orders so far on Aliexpress. Has a lot of potential in the last quarter of the year. The Facebook ad for this product, over 1,700 likes and 427 comments. Now the selling price for this is $29.99, and the product cost is only $13.41. Shipping for this item is free, so you're looking at a profit of $16.58. Our next product is the DIY Sushi Maker. Ready to take your kitchen game to the next level? This DIY Sushi Maker will turn you into an amateur sushi chef. This 50-piece kit comes with step-by-step instructions. Just add your favorite ingredients into the device and press, and you get wonderful homemade Japanese sushi right at home. It's in the kitchen niche. It's an evergreen product. Has a high perceived value. It's a proven seller with over 882 orders so far on Aliexpress. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product went viral with over 13,000 likes and 4,900 comments. Now the selling price for this is $29.95, and the product cost is only $16.38. Shipping for this item is $2, so you're looking at a profit of $11.57. Next up is the Build-A-Chair educational toy. Build-A-Chair is a fantastic educational toy for enhancing a child's imagination and teaching them important hands-on skills. The kids will be thrilled to build up an actual chair. This assembly construction toy will make the kids confident enough, and they will feel proud of themselves after they finish assembling the chair. It's in the education toy niche. It's an evergreen product. Has the wow factor. It's not overly saturated, only 229 orders have been placed so far on Aliexpress. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has 163 likes and 27 comments. Has a lot of untapped potential. Now the selling price for this is $39.95 and the product cost is only $25.85. Shipping for this item is $4.60, so you're looking at a profit of just under $10. Our next item is the Advanced Digital Angle Finder. Digital Angle Finder makes measuring any angle quick and easy. Save your time and energy while on the job and increase your productivity. The Digital Angle Finder combines the ruggedness of analog rulers with the accuracy and precision of modern technology. It's in the DIY niche. It's an evergreen product. Has a high perceived value. Proven seller on Aliexpress with over 600 orders. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has 1,300 likes and 110 comments. Now the selling price for this is $37.99 and the product cost is only $20.16. Shipping for this item is $2.07. So you're looking at a profit of just under $15.76. Our last product is the laser-guided Slingshot. Achieve perfect accuracy using the laser-guided Slingshot. The Slingshot has a laser-powered sight that is used to improve accuracy. The Slingshot is lightweight and portable to carry anywhere, loaded with ammo of your choosing from paper to rocks. It's in the outdoor hunting niche. It's an evergreen product. Definitely has the wow factor. Proven seller on Aliexpress with over 2,200 orders. Perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has 4,400 likes and 381 comments. Now the selling price for this is $24.98 and the product cost is only $7.65. Shipping for this item is 38 cents, so you're looking at a profit of just under $16.95. There will also be a free accompanying PDF for each video that will have a sample Facebook targeting graph for each product down in the description. That's it for today. If you like the content and would like to see more, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also giving the video a like. It would really help the channel out. Until next time, take care.